to another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. So this is for January of 2023, and look how friggin' cute the bag is. It's purple. It has purple flowers that are almost daisies. They look like flowers that I would doodle, and it is so silky soft, like, oh my gosh. And the lime green drawstring. I cannot, it's so cute. I love that they did, like, the most perfect bags for my birthday month. Just saying. So anyway, let's get the little card out. It says the same thing that the regular Glam Bag did, so we're not going to bother rereading that, and that's just for Glam Bag X. Do we have product info? We do not. We have Glow All Out and Glow All, I guess, Over. It cuts off on the side. 3 super easy skin-saving tips for winter. Number 1, switch to a calming cleanser. When you're washing, to get rid of makeup, dirt, and oil, reach for a formula that treats your skin gently and doesn't strip away much-needed moisture. Formulas like cleansing creams and balms are a go-to in winter months to dissolve away the day and hydrate your skin. Try Pharmacy Whipped Green's Foaming Oil-Free Cleanser. Step 2, don't skip exfoliation. That is something I've been doing a crap ton of lately, is exfoliating. Oh my god. Maybe tempting to forgo when your skin's feeling sensitive from the dry, cold air, but exfoliating ensures you're clearing away flaky, dead skin cells that get in the way of your other products doing their thing. The key is to stick to once or twice a week max. Try Dew of the Gods Feels Microdermabrasion Facial Scrub. And 3, use SPF year-round. You know, the thing I never remember to use. We know you've heard it, but it's worth repeating. Your skin needs protection from the sun all year long. Just because it's darker and cloudier out doesn't mean you can't get sun damage. Just look for an option with extra hydrating benefits or your winter skin will love. Try Fenty Skin Hydra Visor Invisible Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen. That's literally all it said in the card, so whatever. So, I guess we'll just look at the stuff. Ooh, we have another Tarte product. Love it. So this is the Tarte Double Take Awake Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener. Micro Eyeliner. Okay. So one tip is the liner. And then this side, I'm not sure if this is meant to be like a highlighter or a waterline thing. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's meant for the waterline. Inner Rim Gel Brightener. Got it. Got it. Okay, because I saw on the side. That is exactly what it's for. So that's kind of cool, having a 2-in-1 for that. Let's see it in person, what color that brightener is. Okay. So it's very much skin-colored, which is nice. Because, yeah, white is very brightening for in the waterline, but it's also very unnatural looking there. And as much as I wanted to make the white look just work, it doesn't. And I found myself really wanting it to have just a touch of skin tone to it. I think this might be the thing, and I didn't even know I wanted the thing till I got the thing. I'm like, oh, actually, that is, like, exactly what I kind of was complaining about, like, a year ago. So, alright, cool. That's a thing. Next, from Hey Honey... I'll tell you why I'm laughing in a second. The Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. Guys, how many sample sizes of this did I go through last year? Count them with me. No, I'm just like, now I have the full size. Now that I've finally used this all up. Well, it's a good thing I like this stuff, because I will still use this, and I will use all of it, but I'm just so amused, because I was like, I thought I'd finally seen the end of it and gotten it all used up, and haha, psych, here's the full size. Oh god, I'm too easily amused. Anyway, so then we have more Tarte. Okay, so we have the Tarte Sunrise Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. So it's all neutrals, as you can see. Let's see here. I guess it opens from the top. Let's see them in person. Oh, it's got a cute packaging on it. Loving the stripes. Kind of gives the Amazonian vibes, which... Oh yeah, it's in the name. I guess that's kind of the whole point. Because I was thinking of the clay blusher. Okay, actually, these look even more toned down in person than they do in the box. So let me... Oh my gosh, that cling wrap does not want to stay off. Okay. There you go. Those are pretty, though. especially the shimmers. I'm like, alright, I could get into that. I know normally I get very bored by neutral palettes, but this one I'm like, actually, this one might be okay. The color names are Adore, Sassy, Element, Brilliant, Enchanting, Icon, Vivid, Delight, and Charming. Okay, love the names anyway. Okay, we've got that. So that'd be nice. Then we have, what are we? From Basic Beauty, lip gloss in Literally. Time out. Didn't we just get this one not that long ago in like a different bag or from BoxyCharm? Like 99% sure that we just talked about this one not that long ago. That's okay. I'll go through and see. If I do already have it, then I'll pop this on eBay. If not, then I guess I'll keep it in use. Either way, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Don't even worry about it. Okay, then we have from Lucky Chick. Ooh, another one of these liquid eyeshadows. This is the brand that had the dirty laugh, or dusty laugh, and made me laugh. This one is in Femme Bliss. Ooh, let's see it. Ooh, okay. Okay, so it's kind of like a rose goldy kind of a shimmer with like a very pink reflect in it. I don't know if the pink reflect's gonna show up on camera, but in real life to like actual eyeballs it gives it. On camera it just looks like it's giving a golden glow, so whatever. But just know, in person there's actually a very like bright pink reflect in there that I'm like, oh, that's actually real pretty. Okay. Then, what's this? By Luna Magic. Ooh. This is Friend and Monaco. Oh, I'm digging that blue. Oh, that's cool. Alright. I don't know if those two would go together, but I can try. Because why not? I'll even, like, try reversing them, see how they did. Like, honestly, there's no reason they shouldn't. I just don't know that they do, but that blue is stunning. Like, straight up stunning. Like, I am here for that. So, then we have from the Ipsy Refreshments line, their Kissalicious Lip Balm in Caramel Swirl. Told you, they only make 2 flavors so far. Now I have them both. The other one was the minty one that I haven't reviewed yet, but I have it. Just gotta do the thing, but anyway. So there's that. Then from Kenzie, we have Buttercup Babe Eau de Parfum. Look at the little butterflies all over it. It's so cute. Oh, I want to sniff. Let me sniff. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Sniff, sniff. Oh. Oh, that's really nice. It's like a really nice sweet floral. I'm like, okay. Love that. Okay. I love on the back the caution. Do not spray into the eyes or towards a naked flame. I mean, do you mean open flame and naked eyes? I don't know. I don't know. That's a very strange way of wording it, but I'm amused. And then the last thing in here is from Shayna B, and it's the Miami Lip Gloss. Oh, there's fluff from the bag. Interesting. Why is there fluff? And this is in the color Besitos. Okay, let's see. What color is Besitos? Ooh! Okay. Look at that. That's really nice. That's kind of like mauve-y with an almost lavender reflect in there. Like, ooh, that is interesting. I don't think I have one with a lavender reflect yet. So I'm like, that's different. I like that. I like that a lot. And that is the last item. So that was my January 2023 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. Let me know what you're the most excited to see me review first. And as always, You know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.